Okay, so in this video, what I want to look at is how, this is the finished version I have over here. So I want to look basically at how I'm going to create these two charts. If I go back to my dashboard in progress here, you see I've actually just copied and pasted these in already. So my next job now is to basically create these dynamic charts. So I just start by going to equals, and then I go to my dashboard, and I click on the cell up here. Okay, and let's see, just start equals again, dashboard. Okay, just not playing ball today. I'll just maximize this for a second. Okay, so just go equals, go to my dashboard, and then I click on this here and press F4 to lock it. Now, the other thing that I need to do is I basically need to use my indirect formula again so that I can call up, let's say, the January male figures and the January female figures as well, as long as it's January there, but that it will update if I change the month on the dashboard as well. So I just go equals indirect, and then I click on this one here, F4 to lock it, and then I use my little ampersand, and then open quotation marks, and then my exclamation mark to indicate the name of a sheet. And then it's actually in, let me just go now to my, let's say January here. So you can see my gender figures here are in R15. Let's go back to this one. I'll just delete that out and just put down R15 and then close my brackets and enter. Oops. Okay. Yes, and I forgot my closing quotation marks. There we go. 94. And don't forget, when you copy it down, I still have to go in here and edit the formula. So it now reads R16. Okay. Now let me just go back to my dashboard. Let me just get here. So see, the moment saying January, 94 and 107. Dashboard. Choose my February calculation. See, and it's updated here as well. The next stage then is basically just to create a chart from this. So highlight these two, insert, choose my pie chart is here. I want to add percentages. So just click on one up here, percentages, and there we go. And then I also just want to put in the month name as well. So I just go equals. Notice here I click up in the formula bar, and then I click here, and I press enter. And when I've got all this done, click on it, Control C to copy, back to my dashboard, V to paste, and then I just move it in here. And when I've got this done, if I go up here then, let's say to February, let's say change this to March, see the figures change automatically. Now I just need to do the same thing now for my year-to-date ones as well. So go back to my calculations. They're my year-to-date. I'm basically going to set this up so that it's, it's always going to show the total for the year, and it's not going to be linked to any specific month per se. So let's say what I'm going to do is just put in my copy and paste this. Okay, and I just go equals down to my annual summary, and here's my total year to date for this one. Press enter, saying 98 at the moment, and if I copy this down, say 102, and as I go through the year and I add on more sheets, etc., these numbers will update automatically. And then I do the same thing, highlight this here, insert, pie chart, choose here, choose the same pie chart as I have this one, chart title, and then I'm just going to go equals and then click on this one here. Whoops, press enter. See there it says gender year to date. And then I copy it, go back into my dashboard, Control V to paste. Whoops, Control Z, click over here, Control V to paste. And there we go, nice and tidy. Get it to fit nice and tightly in here. And I might have to do a bit of tweaking on it just to get it to fit in nice and tidily. There we go. Oops. To resize a fraction. Put the pieces back together again. There we go. Okay. And then this one here, let me just go back to my calculations. I wonder now why that's missing that. So I just go plus, tick data labels, and just go to more options. I'm just going to go on to over here, let's say to percentage. I don't need the value, I just need the percentage. And there we go. So now when I come up here now to this one, let's say I change this into January. There we go. The year to date won't change because they're always going to be a total number. I might just adjust that a fraction. Okay, so that's that section done, and in the next video we're just going to look at how we'll do the next two pieces, like the other year to dates and the combination and so on. Okay, hope you found this useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.